So you're trying to make money as a TikTok affiliate without having any product on your hand. Well, I'm gonna help you with that. At this point, you probably know that TikTok affiliate is insanely great opportunity right now. There is so many YouTube videos where people show how much money they make in such a short period of time. And I'm gonna tell you that probably most of them are truth. Just from my experience alone, I've seen how easy it is to make money with TikTok affiliate that I believe any claims that people are doing, such as they make $100,000 in a month. I believe it. I've seen people doing this. I mean, take a look at this information right here. Number one affiliate in last 7 days has been this guy right here, and he generated $500,000 in revenue, just one person alone, okay? And the second person right after it generated almost $400,000 in revenue. These numbers are insane. Anyway, you want to make videos without a product. Well, first, let's check what TikTok has to say about it. So this is TikTok policy on promoting a brand, product, or service. And I went through this as well as some other policies as well. And there is no rule saying that you cannot promote the product without having the product in the video. However, they are very clear that you need to mention that this is a promotional video, that you're promoting a specific brand. It has to be included in the description if you're not showing the product in the video. So technically, you can make videos without the products, right? Wrong. And before you turn off this video, hear me out. I'm gonna show you what to do if you don't have any money to buy the product. The reason being why I said this is wrong is because even though TikTok doesn't have an official policy saying, yeah, you need to have a product in the video, I've just seen so many people getting banned left and right for posting videos without the product in the video. So TikTok says one thing and does another, and this is pretty common at this point. So please hear me out because I don't want you to get in trouble. But I get it, you don't want to spend money on a product. The great thing about TikTok affiliate is that a lot of brands offer free samples to the affiliate in exchange for a video. Even if you have no traction, even if you never sold anything on TikTok affiliate, they will still send you free samples. And in fact, I can give you a couple companies that will for sure give you samples. And I know that because I opened new TikTok affiliate accounts without having sold anything, and I got free samples. You know what? I'm gonna show you something. This sweatshirt that I'm currently wearing, I got it as a free sample. This toy that I was playing with earlier, I got it as a free sample. All of this right here, you see all of that? I got it as a free sample as an affiliate. This thing, I got it for free. This thing, I got it for free. This thing, I got it for free. Well, maybe not the money, but this 100 envelope saving challenge, I got it for free. So you can get a lot of free stuff as a TikTok affiliate. Just send a request. That's it. And right here on the screen, you can see a couple of the companies that I'm gonna list that I know for a fact that will give you free sample even if you have nothing sold. On top of that, you can send a message to the seller as well. Sometimes they give you a WhatsApp number. Just text them on WhatsApp. That's the best way to kind of contact them instead of using the TikTok in-app messaging system. The reason being is when you send it to WhatsApp, it goes directly to them. When you send it in the app, they get so many emails and notifications that sometimes it's easier to lose that conversation. And if you're still struggling to get a free product sample, join my Discord. We will help you get free samples. Matter of fact, we will help you get higher commissions on the products you're trying to promote. We cannot offer higher commissions for every product, but for a lot of them we do. Also, if you are trying to learn TikTok affiliate from A to Z, if you become a member of our Discord, you're gonna get access to the course that's gonna teach you everything from A to Z, how to become a successful TikTok affiliate. We also show you the best products to promote. We have a list that we update on a consistent basis. And there's a bunch of other benefits such as weekly meetings and other courses that you can get access to. So go to the dropshipping.com if you want to get free samples, higher commissions, and the course for the TikTok affiliate, and surround yourself with like-minded individuals that do the same stuff as you do, my friend. And it doesn't matter if your promotional video get a sale or not. As long as you fulfill your requirement, which is make a video or a live stream dedicated to that product, you're good. So technically you can get a lot of free stuff, even if you're not generate sales for these sellers. Now, that's not probably the best idea. You probably want to generate sales because at the end of the day, you get money, they get money, everyone is happy. You don't have to stress yourself out if you do not get any sales. I understand that at the beginning you might suck, you might not be good, so it's completely fine. Remember, the key to TikTok affiliate videos is the hook. So having a good hook, something that will trigger their brain, something weird, that's the key to it. For example, a lot of people use this very popular hook called do not buy something because X, Y, and Z. And they talk about the benefits of that product, even though they said do not buy it. And a lot of people are like, wait, you said do not buy it, but now you want me to buy it? So which one is it? And people leave comments saying like, yeah, should I buy it or not? And that creates traction and engagement. It's kind of like this reverse psychology stuff. So hook is the most important one. And listen, if you made a video and it doesn't get any traction, just go do another one and another. The thing with this TikTok affiliate stuff is, at least what I've noticed, is that you just need to make consistent videos every day and try to make them the best as possible. And then one of them randomly will kick off, and then one of them will make you the most money for the month. That's literally the part of the game. I've seen people posting 30, 40 videos a month, and then one of them will kick off, and then one generated them $50,000, $60,000 in commission alone. So please do not try to make videos on TikTok without having the product in your video. You're probably gonna get in trouble, even though TikTok says it's okay. Just request a free sample. It's super easy to do. And if you need help with getting free samples, again, come to me, come to my Discord, go to dropshippingguild.com. We'll help you out. And we possibly can increase your commission as well. But that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this. I will see you next time. Bye-bye. See ya.